Listen some famous questions and answers and improve your English. For more English videos, subscribe Animated English by Z.
What's your name?
My name is Emily.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Dubai.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 10th.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend's name is Olivia.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Do you like music?
No, I don't like music.
What are your hobbies?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Do you like any sports?
Yes, I really like playing badminton.
Do you like to watch sports?
Not really. I am not a big fan of watching sports.
How do you go to college?
I go to college by bus.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
How many members are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What is your favorite place to go?
My favorite place to go is my grandmother's house.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like traveling to new places.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I love making cheese sandwiches.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite juice is watermelon juice. It's sweet and so refreshing.
Do you understand English?
I can understand English, but I can't speak it well.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because it's essential for my work.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 4 rooms in my house.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise twice a day.
Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.